Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Abby. This is Zoe. Wait, I'm sorry, spray that. I'm Abby. And today we're going to be playing some slime. So it was like really sticky, so I had some activator. You know what I mean? But here's my slime. It's kind of sticky. I added some activator. You guys are actually standing on my activator, sitting on it. Like, yeah. On my other video, I only posted one video and I got 552 views. 10 likes and 18 subscribers. Thank you, you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification, please. Down below. But this is just like a metallic, well, I'm not gonna say metallic, maybe like a hot pink slime. Mom! Maybe like a hot pink slime. Well, it's lighter in the camera, but it's darker out of the camera. But yeah, it's really stretchy. I have more slimes. This one was homemade. It was really small. I added some lotion to it, but really big. And if I didn't make any bubbles, this is what happens. Hold on, let me see if I can even make one. Oh, I made it, but it's really sticky. So yeah. Okay, and then I would just put it in this container, and then we're gonna go on to my next slime. So I'll be right back, and I'm actually gonna go get my other slime. This one is it's a store-bought slime. It's from Walmart. It's a 3-pounder. Let me find the opening, please. Okay, you guys look at that. Can you guys hear that? It's like really heavy. Oh no, it's gonna get on the wood. It's really stretchy. My family usually makes bubbles with this one. Hold on, you guys. It's really heavy. Hold on, you guys. Let me try to make a bubble. I made one. Maybe a little bit one, but that's okay. Here, I'm gonna scoot you guys back. There you go. Now you guys should be getting more view. Okay. Now I'm gonna take all of that. Hold on, I'll do it to you guys in the camera. Hold on, I'm getting glue. Okay, ready? Okay. ASMR. Even though that's not my channel. Oh, hold on. There's like this long string thing in there. Okay, there we go. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. I mean, I might be able to, but I'm not sure. You guys hear that? But this slime's really good. I mean, yeah, okay. Time for the next slime. Let me put this slime up into its container. And I put the lid on. And get slime. Okay. I'm gonna start off with this one. This one's like a really sticky, it's a sticky slime, but not. You know what I mean? Like, it can be sticky the most, but not to me. Hold on, I might be able to get it all out. And I'm not sure. I know I usually close the bag, but I'm gonna try this way first and see how it gets me. So yeah, got me pretty much better than what I usually do. This one's just like a pokeable, bubbly slime. Squeezable slime. Oh yeah, I will be making a night routine today. So yeah. Oh yeah, and I will keep an update on the time. I did the Coke and Pepsi slime challenge, like the Coke and Pepsi egg challenge, and it was like indestructible. Like I have not, like I squeezed as hard as I could, it didn't break. So let's see if the slime will do it. Oh, there's my brother. There's my other brother. Sticky. Could you guys stop making noise, please?
Sorry.
It sticks to me one more time. This one's not that crunchy. Oh yeah, and my bath is a jacuzzi bath. Like it has jets.
Can we go swimming?
In a minute. After all my slimes are done.
When's that gonna be?
After I'm done with playing with this slime, then I'm gonna play that slime, then I'm gonna play that one. And the other one. Okay, so we're gonna go on to the next slime. So let me put this slime up, away, and not sticking to my hand. Not good at all. Get off me. No, I already used that slime off that.
She's using this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that one.
Look at the slingshots on these ones. See how they look a little different?
Yeah.
You loop it on the bottom of that.
Will it hit me in the face?
I think these might be easier
Yeah.
because
they
it's
look-
just a little stick that you hold
Yeah.
instead of a
Guys,
whole
look at my lip.
slingshot. So I think we might get these ones instead.
Because
How much are they?
They're
They're $13.
How much are you gonna buy?
Probably
It comes
10.
with 20 of them.
Holy smokes. Okay, so next
Well,
slime
no, I
is
think
this
it
one.
comes with.
4 slingshots.
It may be 10 each. It may be 10 rocket copters and 10 slingshots. But I'm just saying, I'm thinking about buying these kind instead because the slingshot looks easier.
Hold on,
to
don't touch it,
use.
please.
Mm.
There's something. So this one's like a jiggly.
And then we can
yarn.
always keep the other slingshots and use them with these.
Yeah. In case those could be our these could be our bathroom.
So basically, this one's a jiggly slime, but also this is a store-bought slime. We just added things to it. We added lotion, we added food coloring, we added so much. But it's really not that stretchy. It's like a weird texture, like a really weird texture. Not that satisfying at all because like it doesn't even make bubbles. But this slime is non-sticky. Like it's non-sticky. No matter what you do to it. We added like this unicorn magic stuff and it made it like really, really shiny. It's making everything deflate out of it. Like, hold on. See that? I don't know if you can see it. But that's not lotion. That is the unicorn stuff that make it shiny. But it's a jiggly slime. But it smells really good. It's really lotion. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say it. This one doesn't stick to like wood. It doesn't stick to wood. That's my brother. Okay, let's go on to the next slime. So we're gonna put this one up. My mom hates the texture of this one. Like she hates it. Like she hates it. She won't even touch it. The next slime. This is probably gonna be the last slime. And then we're gonna go to the next video and we're gonna do a routine. Like a room, like a house for. Oh, where's I put it? Okay, this one is really, really cool. It came from this one thing that I made. I can't think of it, but it's not store-bought. It's a homemade. Oh yeah, this one's a homemade. This one's a store-bought, and that other one's a store-bought. The blue one. This one's like a little tiny slime. It used to be thicker and stretchier, then it got sticky, so I had to activate it. Then it's just a jiggly, thick slime. Non-stretchy. I mean, stretchy, but not at the same time. It's a gross color because I never added any color. And it just turned out like that. So it used to be, it always been this color because it came from this like one little lava. I can't think of it. And you had to like shake it for a minute or something like that, and it come out this color. So that was all the slimes, and then so stay tuned for the next video. See you guys today soon. Bye.